Today I'm teaching you and dear Tara how to talk like a native speaker using idiom and slang words. So without further ado, let's go. So I had a great news last night, Tara. Yeah, my friend called and he said we're coming over. So yeah, I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm stuck.
Stuck?
Yes, when you want to say I'm so happy, you can say I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, actually, I can smile with my heart.
Oh,
Yeah, I can smile with my heart and I'm stuck. And I can say I'm on cloud 9.
I'm in cloud 9.
I'm on cloud 9.
I'm in?
I'm on.
On
Cloud 9. Yes, it means
on.
I'm so happy. I'm on cloud 9.
I'm on cloud 9.
I'm stuck.
Stuck.
Yes, yeah. Actually, that's the way a native speaker express his or her feeling. So, if you want to say, I'm so happy, you can say, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
It's not a stuck, it's
Stuck.
stuck.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
I'm on cloud 9.
I'm in cloud 9.
Yes. It means if there are levels of clouds, cloud 7, cloud 8, no. I'm on cloud 9. Yes. I'm so happy. I'm
happy.
I'm over the moon.
Over the moon.
Yeah.
Moon is better.
Yeah. Okay. Good. When something is not bad, it's
Good.
yes, it's good. So when you want to say something is good, you cannot say, yeah, your hair is good. Yes, your dress is good. Yes, you are good. No, you cannot say good, 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 good all the time.
Okay.
So you have to say the synonyms and say other expressions to sound like a native, to sound like a native speaker. So, for example, in this case, you can say it's top notch.
It's top notch.
Top notch.
Top notch.
Yes, it means it's like number one. It's so good, so great. Yeah, so when something is top notch, it's
Good.
yes.
Or great.
Yes, you can say it's top notch.
It's top notch.
Or a very common one that you can say is it's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yes, a native speaker does not say good like a lot. So he or she can say, will say, it's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yes. I had a party last night. It was so much fun. It was
Awesome.
awesome, yes. I had a great party last night. It was awesome.
Awesome.
I had a great,
I had a great
party last
night.
You have to emphasize on words. The fact, the reason that a person, sounds more native is emphasizing.
Okay.
And intonation. I told you about the intonation, remember?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to emphasize on words that they're different in intonation. And sometimes you have to just say it casually.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't have to emphasize. You just have to say, yes, it was good. But when you're saying something was extraordinary, it was awesome, so you cannot say it was awesome. No, it means you're mocking the person. It means it wasn't awesome. Yeah, it's like
It was
sarcastic. So it was awesome.
It was awesome.
Yes, I want that. When something is not good, it's
bad.
It's bad, yeah. But again, you cannot say just it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. For example, you can say it's not up to scratch.
It's not
up to scratch.
It's not up to scratch.
Yeah, it means it's not what it should be, but you can say it's not up to scratch. I'm not happy, yeah. So you can say
it's not up to scratch.
not a scratch.
Scratch.
Not up to scratch.
Not up to scratch.
Yeah, I have to attach the words together. So It's not up to scratch.
It's not up to scratch.
Not up to scratch.
Not up to scratch.
Yeah. It's not up to scratch. So,
Not up to scratch.
yeah, it's not what it should be. Or you can say, it sucks.
Sucks.
Yeah,
I like
it
this more.
sucks.
Sucks.
Yeah, it's so bad.
It's
I mean,
not up to scratch.
see, you're saying this with your face, with your eyes. Like, you have to close your eyes. Like, it sucks.
It
you have to do the
sucks.
eyebrows. Like,
It sucks.
excellent. Yeah, I want that. So sometimes you, I mean, not you specifically, people, they don't want to get into trouble.
Okay.
So they just are lazy and saying the words and expressions with it. I mean, by people, I mean students. They're saying like, it sucks. It's awesome. I mean, you cannot see whether if they're happy, they're sad. I mean, it's not different. So you have to have, I mean, emotions in your face. It is so important. When you're learning, I said it for a million times, so I'm saying it for a billion times. When you're learning language, you have to learn a culture as well. I mean, you have to. I mean, it's all about imitation. It's all about repeating and copying. You have to copy. I mean, you're learning a language, right? So you're not native. You have to copy natives. So you can sound native. You're never gonna get native. No, never, ever, ever. So, but you're gonna sound like it. So that's why you have to absorb, imitate their culture
Okay.
first. Then you're gonna go native.
I'm native.
You will be after this class.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It sucks.
It is great. It's awesome.
I like sucks more.
Yeah, you love this word. Good.
Sucks.
It sucks.
Look
Yeah.
at my face when
Yeah.
I'm saying. Okay.
When you're saying, I'm strong, you can say, I'm as strong as an ox. As strong
As strong
as an ox.
as an ox.
Yes. Ox, it means it's like a bull. It's like kind of bull or cow, like ox. It's like wild one. So yeah, I'm as strong as an ox.
As strong as an ox.
Yes. Or you can say, I'm jacked.
I'm jacked.
I'm jacked.
I'm jacked.
Yes, it means, again, I'm so strong.
I'm jacked.
Yes. So, yeah. So, you didn't see the, like, difference? I go to gym, I work out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Good for you.
Yeah. Before I go to gym, yeah, before, like, today, that, yeah, my strong days, I was weak.
Oh.
Yeah. So when you're saying, instead of saying I'm weak, you can say, I'm feeling weak.
I'm feeling weak.
Yes. You can add feeling to, it's gonna smooth the masculinity that this sentence sounds. So you can say, I'm feeling weak.
I'm feeling weak.
Yes, it means, again, I'm weak.
I'm weak.
Yeah. Or, I'm feeling like a wet noodle.
I'm feeling like a wet noodle.
Yes, like a wet noodle.
Like a wet noodle.
Yes, a wet noodle is like this, like so loose and just like, so it has no energy. Yeah.
Right.
So, I'm feeling like a wet noodle. I can't do that. I'm so weak. I'm feeling weak.
I'm feeling like a wet noodle. I'm feeling like a wet noodle. I'm so weak.
Yeah.
I'm so weak.
Yes.
I have no energy.
Yes. Tonight, I'm gonna see my nemesis.
Oh.
Yeah. A guy,
Okay.
I hate his guts. I hate him, literally. So, right now, I mean, tonight, I'll be furious, but
Okay.
I can say right now I'm calm. Yeah. So I can say I'm calm before the storm.
Calm before the storm?
Yes. I mean, tonight it's gonna be the storm that I'll be furious and angry and shouting and everything. But right now, I'm calm.
You're calm.
Yeah, I'm calm. It's not calm because lots of people they say calm. The L it does not pronounce. So you can say I'm calm before the storm.
I'm calm before the storm.
Yeah. Or you can just simply say I'm chill.
I'm chill.
Yeah, I'm chill.
Chill.
Just yeah. But yeah, and when you're if you're saying to a person, and if you want to say, hey, calm down, you can say, take a chill pill.
Take a chill pill.
Yeah, take a chill pill, yo,
Take a chill pill,
bro.
bro.
Yeah, take a chill pill.
Take a chill pill.
Yeah, chill.
Chill.
Yeah, chill, man.
Chill.
Yeah, chill, dude. When you don't drink water for a day,
Okay.
you'll go thirsty.
Thirsty.
Yeah, so you need to drink water then. So when you don't drink water, you go thirsty. So, but you can also say instead of thirsty, I'm as dry as a bone.
I'm as dry as a bone.
Yes, like there is no water inside a bone, so you can say I'm as dry as a bone.
I'm as dry as a bone.
Yes, it's an idiom, so you can use it and you're gonna sound like a native speaker. So I'm as dry as a bone.
I'm as dry as a bone.
Yes. Or I'm dying for a drink.
I'm dying for a drink.
Yes, I'm thirsty. I'm dying for a drink.
Thirsty.
Come on. Let's give me water. Give me some water.
Give me some water.
Yes, give me some water. Bunch of people say, give me,
Glass of water.
no, a little water, which is wrong.
Okay.
You can say some water or a glass of water. Yeah. When you go to a place that you don't know anyone, you don't know anywhere, you don't have GPS, and you think to yourself, you went
Lost.
lost. Yeah, so you can say, I'm lost. Instead of saying, I'm lost, you can say, I'm off to the beaten path.
I'm off to the beaten path.
Yes, I'm off to the beaten path. It means, yeah, I'm totally lost.
I'm lost.
Yeah. So, what would you do if you get lost?
I'm saying that I'm off
No,
to the.
no, no. What would you do?
I
Yeah,
cry.
you're just lost, and you just cry.
I will cry.
Yeah.
Cry.
So what about after
I'm
that?
going to find the police
So
and cry in front
no,
of it.
you're just calling.
Oh,
to a
yes,
friend.
calling. If I lose my phone and my purse, what should I do then?
Yeah, actually, that happened to me. I mean, my cell phone died. I didn't know where am I, so
Then you cried.
no, I didn't cry. I was just like walking. It was just like snowing, and I had a backpack, like heavy backpack, and it was 3 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, and my cell phone was, I mean, died. So yeah, I was just like walking for 2 or 3 hours until morning. So yeah, but a guy saved me actually. A guy actually with his family was, the guy was with his family, so he saved me. He said, "Yeah, what you doing?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm lost." So he
You're
drove me.
off to the beaten path.
Yeah, I was off to the beaten path. So, but right now, I'm on. So on.
Yes.
Yeah. So the saga continues. Whatever I do, it's gonna go great.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, wherever I go, whatever I do, I see beautiful people, nice people. I feel great stuff. So everything good happens to me. Everything great happens to me. Every day, nothing bad will happen to me. So I can say, I'm lucky.
You're lucky.
Yes. When you want to say I'm lucky, So you're always going to say, I was lucky. Yeah, you can say, I hit the jackpot.
I hit the jackpot.
Yeah, I hit the jackpot. Like, I'm lucky.
What jackpot means?
Jackpot is like lottery. It's the name of the lottery. Yeah, you can say, I hit the jackpot.
I hit the jackpot.
Yeah, I mean, I won the lottery. Or it's something like lottery and a casino game.
Jackpot.
Like, yeah, I can say jackpot. Like, it's like playing cards. And a lucky person always hits the jackpot. So.
I hit the jackpot.
Or you can say, I'm on a roll.
You're on a roll.
No.
I'm on a roll.
I'm on a roll. It means every day, every time, the one after another, great things happen to me. I mean, I'm on a roll.
I'm on a roll.
Yeah, I'm on a great path. I'm on a great roll. So, just good things happen. It's like you're lucky once, you're lucky twice, but sometimes you're just on a roll. It's like you're lucky every day, all the time. So, one after another. So, you can say, I'm on a roll. I'm so lucky today and every day and tomorrow and beyond, years beyond. Yay.
I'm on a roll.
I'm on a roll.
I hit the jackpot.
I hit the jackpot. It's like not jackpot. No, jackpot.
Jackpot.
Not pa.
Pa.
No. Jackpot.
Jackpot.
Yeah, jackpot.
Jackpot.
Yes. Or what if you want to say, I'm unlucky?
I'm unlucky.
Yes, you can say, I drew the short straw.
I drew the short straw.
Yes.
Is what the straw means?
Straw is something that you like drink, drinks. Straw.
Straw?
Yes. I think there is a race or a game that you want to, test or you want to see who wins. There are like 4 straws and whoever take the shortest straw, gonna lose.
Oh.
So have you heard about it?
No.
About the news?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Why? I'm so speechless. You had the... Oh my God. So you haven't heard about it? But I did, and I'm shocked. So I'm going to tell you after that. But right now, I want to tell you, because I'm shocked, I want to tell you the synonyms for it. So
Okay.
instead of saying I'm shocked, you can say it hit me like a ton of bricks.
It hit me like a ton of bricks.
Yes, it's like a ton of bricks, like hit me one after another. So it hit me like a ton of bricks. Yeah, just like that.
It hit me like a ton of bricks.
Yeah, it hit me like a ton of bricks. Oh my God, I'm so in shock. Yes, I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
Yes, so you haven't heard it?
No.
I'm gonna tell you after the class. Okay. Yes. Or you can say for shocking thing, when you want to say I'm shocked, you can say I'm floored.
I'm floored.
Yes, I'm floored. ED.
Floored.
Yeah, I'm floored. Yo,
floored.
it's so shocking. Come on, is it? Is it true? You really haven't heard about it?
No.
It's like driving me crazy. Why? So you have to wait after the class. I'm gonna tell you.
I'm floored.
Yes, I'm floored. You're curious, but I'm floored.
I'm floored.
Yeah.
You're floored, but I'm going to say the
You're florious.
florious.
Yes, I'm floored. You're curious. I'm floored. So,
Florious.
florious. So that was all about today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please make sure to watch other videos. It's a free English class. Watch it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.